Hi, this is Mike. I want to share with you some of the do-nots during your loan application that you should know of, okay? The first thing is credit inquiries. Even though we do submit a credit report as part of the underwriting process to be approved, the bank does have a right to check your credit anytime during the process to make sure that you don't purchase anything. Because if you do have new credit, that means more bills that you need to pay, which means your debt ratio is affected, which is a big part of being approved. So if you can hold off from buying that washer and dryer Sears for your house during the loan process, do it. Because when you obtain new credit, a lot of times it takes time to get it set up and you're not going to get a statement. And so you don't have a statement, you can't prove to the bank what you purchased, how much, and your monthly payments are. That can be a headache. That can delay the process. And as you know, during the loan process, a lot of times you're under a lock period commitment. Okay, anything that can delay it can end up in extension fees and just not a good thing. So, if you can avoid applying for new credit during the loan process, please do that. Okay. Secondly, you have to watch out for large deposits. These days, a lot of banks, and they have different guidelines. Any large deposits, even to the day you close, need to be explained and sourced. So you can't just write on a piece of paper explaining what that $4,000 from Uncle Tom, it was a repayment from a loan from 10 years ago. That's not going to cut it. You have to source it. So please, if you can avoid having large deposits during the loan process, do it, because it does need to be sourced and explained. Okay. The third thing is when you have an appraisal done in your house, make sure, if at all costs, if the bank can get a local appraiser to appraise your house, that would make a huge difference. Banks go through AMC companies that they work with that send appraisers out to your house to appraise. And a lot of times if they send an out-of-town appraiser to appraise your house, they might not know the neighborhood well enough, and the true value of your house may not be rightfully appraised. So if you can get a local appraiser that knows what they're doing, that's very helpful. Although there's a certain amount of non-control there, at least you can request that. Okay, so those are just three of the things that you have to watch out for during the loan process. If you want to know more information, feel free to give me a call or email me. Thank you.